Just hear my voice and know that I am here. I'm always there to wipe away your tears. I'll lay your head behind your gentle ear and tell you there is nothing more to fear. You are the reason I am the best I'll be. So let me stitch your heart so it won't bleed, and I will rest until you finally breathe, 'cause I still love you more than anything.
Glasgow, we still feeling good? You guys ready to keep the tempo up just a little bit more? Come on, you guys ready to party?
I'm ready to party. I don't know if you're talking to me or
Everyone in general.
that would be kind of weird if we had a conversation just between ourselves in front of a lot of people.
That's fine, we can do that.
How was your day?